much snow everywhere. All right. It's time to make something nice. Done. Oh, what a cool snowman I have made. Now I want you to meet my big dear friend Bear.
See the lights shine bright as the day, all heart feelings melting like ice. And the snowstorm will then start to carry away any bad moods and then make it nice. And the problems will get stuck in snow. All the troubles you have will be clear. You'll see sadness give way to our joy. Here we go. Welcome Christmas and the New Year.
Wow, this is so beautiful. If you see a shooting star, then make a wish. I'll go get Bear. Bear! Oh, holiday music is so nice.
There is music that's playing gently, and the stars are shining brightly. Feel the warmth by the fireplace.
What? That's all? This is so much better. What if I turn it faster? It will be even better.
And the New Year, fulfilling all your wishes, changing the fun your kisses.
Bear, hello. Come outside. I want you to meet a new friend of mine. Bear, this is my friend, Snowman. You know why Bear is upset? Because I broke his music by accident. Aha! I could try and cheer him up. But there's no music to do that. Now this is much better. Music. There! Look, we're all having such a great time. Everybody dance! See the lights that shine bright as the day. All heart feelings melting like ice. And the snowstorm will then start to carry away any bad moods and then make it nice. And the problems will get stuck in snow. All the troubles you have will be clear. You'll see sadness gives way to our joy. Here we go. Welcome Christmas and the New Year. Fulfilling all your wishes. Many desserts on your dishes. See the snowmen as they gleam. We will sing and dance lighting up the Christmas tree.
What? Is it Christmas again? Oh, Bear is probably still sleeping. Oh, we need to wake up our bear!
Christmas season is the reason why I'm home alone and why I'm inviting to my party only me, myself, and I can choose the best of seats, play my favorite games and toys, and eat delicious snacks and treats. That's the spirit I rejoice in.
Bear! Wake up now! Celebrate Christmas? But there will be presents. No, this will not do at all. I will decorate everything in no time. Oh, I am feeling so wound up. I will be happy and celebrate this Christmas. It's not very jolly merry to spend Christmas all alone. You would be sad and would feel bad, and the comfort this is known. Even with the tallest tree, ornaments and decorations, there can be no joy, you see. No friends means no celebrations. Oh, you guys are good. You're not sleeping, you're decorating. Just a second. No, this is for boys. Boys, this is for you. Merry Christmas! Oh, whoa! Squirrels are not asleep either. Happy holidays to you! No, this is only for squirrels. Woohoo! I am so wound up. Look, everyone. I'm so tired. Look what I can do. Abracadabra, alakazam, shazam. Whoa! It's like it is a great big celebration. Whoa! And this present, who's this for? Ah, it's a present for Bear.
So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the bear, let's go. That's